Test 3, sorry, is about Chapter 4, and Chapter 4 is mostly involved in learning how the derivative affects the shape of a graph. Why do we care about this? Because graphs tell us about what's happening, especially when the graph is modeling something in the real world. So, for instance, we want to know maybe where the max or the min will occur in a phenomena. Maybe when will we be able to minimize our cost? Or when will we be able to maximize our profit? Or what is the maximum or minimum flow rate? Or when does what is and when does it occur, the maximum or minimum concentration of maybe blood alcohol level, or maybe a medicine that's been introduced into a system. We are interested in these things. So in Chapter 4, we learn how to find the max and min of functions, where they would occur, when they would occur, using the derivative. We are also introduced to the mean value theorem, which doesn't have like a direct application, but what it is really important because we use this mean value theorem to develop other more important theorems that allow us to go into applications in higher levels of calculus. Let's see. We look at how the derivative affects the shape of the graph, and we do a little curve sketching. We look at indeterminate forms, which we've seen previously, but now we learn a nice technique and a way to handle it using L'Hopital's rule, which is very, very handy. And then we look at how to optimize situations. We're given an application, a real world problem where we have to find the optimum solution. How can we minimize the amount of material that we use and still make this same shape object with the correct volume? So we're going to look at how we can optimize problems given some constraints using our derivative.